Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply cash out from crypto.com. It's an easy process. All you need to do is head over to the account section, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, click on crypto wallet so you have an overview of the cryptocurrencies you possess. Now, as you can see here, I've got some Kronos and Ethereum. So if I'm looking to cash out any of these assets or these cryptocurrency assets, it's not going to be possible to cash out directly based on regions. All you need to do is, if your region doesn't have the fiat option, that's this fiat wallet option, if your region doesn't have this fiat option, all you need to do is simply send your crypto. So click on this, select the crypto you want to send, let's say Ethereum, click on the Ethereum, and all you need to do is simply click on the transfer option and select withdraw, and then select external wallets. And once you selected the external wallet, you can check for your wallet if you have a whitelisted wallet already, or you can simply click on the plus icon, click on wallet address, and simply add a wallet address. By adding a wallet address, we're adding a crypto. That's for the Ethereum. We're going to be adding the Arbitrum address or the Optimism address. The Optimism address, you simply paste that Optimism address here and you give it a name. So in order to send, all you need to do is simply open up Binance, and we're going to be making use of this centralized exchange. Seeing as we can withdraw using fiat, we're going to be withdrawing directly from a centralized exchange. So click on this deposit option, select the Ethereum. Once you've selected Ethereum, click on Optimism, copy your Optimism wallet address, copy it, minimize, and open up the crypto.com app. Once it's opened up, paste the Optimism address here, give it a name, Ethereum OP, and click on continue. Enter your passcode, and boom, select the withdraw option, confirm and withdraw. Enter an amount you wish to withdraw. And simply click on the withdraw option. Now, once you've done that, once you've been able to withdraw from your crypto.com, minimize and open up your Binance. Once you've opened up Binance, all you need to do is head over to the wallet section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll from your spot to your funding and simply check or confirm the arrival of your cryptocurrency asset. Now, once it's on the Binance page, click here on the home, click on the convert. That's if you sent any other crypto that isn't Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, any cryptocurrency asset you sent that isn't accepted by a centralized exchange, all you need to do is simply convert it into something that can be sold. If you want to check the list of currencies that can be sold by merchants, click on the P2P option. And now once you've clicked on the P2P option, we can see USDT, Bitcoin, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, the Nigerian Naira, Solana, and FDUSD. So now we have a list of all the currencies. So you can simply click on the convert option and simply convert either your PEEP. So if you were to send PEEP here, either convert your PEEP to USDT and sell. So now once you've converted to USDT, click on the P2P option, click on the sell, click on sell again, enter an amount you wish to sell, and click on sell with 0 fees. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how you can cash out from crypto.com, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.